Hi gang, this is Poppy. This is my preliminary product review report on the Microlux variable speed bandsaw with wet capability that's being sold by Micromark. To be fair, I've been wanting this thing for 20 years, okay? All in all, it's nice, attractive, solid, nothing plastic that shouldn't be. The variable speed varies. AVE would probably say it chooses to a couple of 3 different tunes. There's some JPEGs and I think maybe a 20-second clip or 2 attached on this. I cut some peach wood that's been drying since June with it. It broke off the tree. Cuts nice. Easy. The motor sounds good. It didn't bog. All in all, I am happy with it. A especially nice touch. You know how in bandsaws, when the table comes together with a little slot so you can get the blade in, there's usually some way to keep them from going tuning fork on you. Most of them, you see, they're just a tapered pin in the slot before they cut the slot. You know, they cut the ream the tapered hole, and then they cut the slot halfway through it. They put a tapered pin in there with a little chain. It's over here. They did really nice. They took a flathead brass screw and a nice brass washer and a nice knurled brass nut. More than adequate to hold the aluminum table nice and flat so it doesn't go tuning fork on you. The table is nicely machined. Very nicely machined. It is smooth. I'd say about a 64 surface finish. All in all, I'm happy. It is a nice little bandsaw for nice small work, which is my shop. 8 foot by 12 foot. My lathe and milling machine are shear line. This is getting on to be the biggest machine in the shop. Anyway, it's opening up a whole lot more technical capabilities for me as soon as I get some more blades. Next month is my daughter's birthday, so November I can buy me some more blades. Anyway, I'll let you know further how I feel about my Microlux variable speed bandsaw, which I bought from Micromark. Good night. Happy work in your shop. Hey gang, just in case this is going to actually record sound, I'm going to talk. This, hey, got it first time, is my brand new bandsaw. Now I'm going to do another test cut on camera. Just got through. Now, there's a piece of crotch in here. I'm going to try and see if I can saw it out. Interesting figuring here. Look at that. Oh, this is peach wood off the tree in the front yard. Now for, where are we? Over here. Now for this one. Oh, look at that. Now with this, we're off a piece of peach that was like, say, 4 feet in diameter. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh. Or was it like so? No, it was like so. There we go. 5 nice little slices.
Hi. Yeah, 5 nice little slices. I mean, they're not big. Maybe Barbie's dollhouse end tables? Anyway, I'm gonna go now.